Welcome back to Tech Tomorrow. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of machine learning. Machine learning is revolutionizing how we interact with technology, making our devices smarter and more intuitive. From enhancing the recommendations we get on our favorite streaming services to enabling the development of self-driving cars, machine learning is at the core of these innovations. In this video, we'll explore what machine learning is, its history, current applications, how you can get started, and its future outlook. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or someone curious about the technological advancements shaping our world, this video will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of machine learning. 1. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on the development of algorithms and statistical models that enable computers to perform tasks without explicit instructions. Instead, these systems rely on patterns and inference drawn from data. This involves training a model on a data set, allowing it to learn from this data, and then using the model to make predictions or decisions. There are various types of machine learning, including supervised learning, where the model is trained on labeled data, unsupervised learning, where the model identifies patterns in unlabeled data, and reinforcement learning, where the model learns through trial and error by interacting with an environment. Machine learning underpins many modern applications, from recommendation systems in streaming services to fraud detection in banking. 2. The history of machine learning. The history of machine learning dates back to the mid-20th century. In 1950, Alan Turing proposed the Turing test, a criterion for determining whether a machine can exhibit intelligent behavior. The term machine learning was coined by Arthur Samuel in 1959, who defined it as a field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. In the following decades, machine learning evolved through the development of various algorithms and models, such as neural networks in the 1980s and support vector machines in the 1990s. The advent of big data and the increase in computational power in the 21st century have significantly accelerated advancements in machine learning, leading to breakthroughs in deep learning and natural language processing. Notable milestones include IBM's Deep Blue defeating world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997, and the more recent triumphs of Google's AlphaGo in the complex game of Go, highlighting the exponential growth and potential of machine learning. 3. Current applications of machine learning. Currently, machine learning is at the forefront of technological innovation, driving significant changes across multiple industries. Companies are leveraging machine learning to improve customer experiences, optimize operations, and gain competitive advantages. In healthcare, machine learning is used for diagnostic imaging, where algorithms can detect anomalies in medical images with high accuracy, and personalized medicine, tailoring treatments based on individual genetic profiles. In finance, it aids in algorithmic trading by analyzing vast data sets to predict market trends, and in risk management by identifying fraudulent activities. The development of autonomous vehicles relies heavily on machine learning algorithms for object detection and decision-making processes, ensuring safe navigation. Moreover, natural language processing, a branch of machine learning, powers virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, enabling them to understand and respond to human speech. With the continuous growth of data and improvements in computational resources, the capabilities and applications of machine learning are expanding rapidly. 4. Getting started with machine learning. For those interested in starting their journey in machine learning, several resources are available. Beginners can start with online courses from platforms like Coursera, DataCamp, and edX, which offer structured learning paths and hands-on projects. These courses often cover essential topics such as statistics, linear algebra, and programming languages like Python and R, which are crucial for building machine learning models. Understanding the fundamentals of machine learning algorithms, such as linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks, is essential. Open-source libraries such as TensorFlow, Keras, and scikit-learn provide tools to build and experiment with machine learning models. Engaging in projects, participating in hackathons, and joining machine learning communities can also enhance practical skills and knowledge. Additionally, reading research papers, following influential researchers on social media, and contributing to open-source projects can provide deeper insights into the field. 5. The future outlook of machine learning. The future outlook for machine learning is incredibly promising. As technology advances, machine learning is expected to become even more integral to various sectors. The development of quantum computing could revolutionize machine learning by solving complex problems faster than ever before, leading to unprecedented advancements in areas like drug discovery and climate modeling. Ethical considerations and the responsible use of machine learning will become increasingly important as these technologies become more pervasive. Ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in machine learning systems will be crucial to addressing biases and maintaining public trust. Moreover, the integration of machine learning with other emerging technologies, such as the Internet of Things, IoT, and blockchain, will create new possibilities and applications. For instance, IoT devices generating massive amounts of data can be analyzed using machine learning to optimize smart city infrastructure and improve resource management. As we move forward, the continuous evolution of machine learning promises to unlock new potentials and reshape the way we live and work. That's it for today's deep dive into machine learning. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Tomorrow, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. We always strive to bring you the most insightful and up-to-date information on technology trends. Your support helps us continue to create high-quality content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring this vast world of tech tomorrow.